If you are a parent, you have kids in grammar school, middle school, high school perhaps, I know your thoughts are about their future, what they're going to do. And there's a lot of conversation, frankly, in the entire world about AI, right? And nobody really has it ironed out. Nobody knows. There's a lot of unknown about what AI is going to do to us in our workplaces and our jobs, frankly. But you can start seeing the signs that anything that is a white-collar type job and requires brain function, data analysis, things of that sort, those are the type of jobs that are probably going to disappear. Not all of them, of course, not at once. I'm sure it will take time. But you have to consider what's going on for the last 2 decades, frankly, maybe even longer, in the United States as far as the trades. The trades are desperate for people. Now, the trades have been sort of characterized as maybe not the most glamorous jobs. I love people like Mike Rowe. Mike Rowe puts it out there, and he makes the dirty jobs seem like extremely important jobs, which they are, and rewarding jobs as well. I can tell you that the trades pay a lot of money. I'm pretty sure the data is skewed because there's some extremely highly paid, compensated jobs on the white-collar scale. But if you take your average person right now that has your average white-collar job and an average blue-collar job, I guarantee you the blue-collar job people are not only tasked more with work and have the ability of earning more money if they really wanted to start doing even more overtime, but on the average, they'll make more money. It doesn't take much investment up front for you to be in the trades, meaning you don't have to go in debt. You don't have to have your kids go in debt by spending money on college that, let's face it, for the most part, you are not making the right investment. You know, I'm not trying to generalize, but college does not have a good return on investment unless you are 100% certain the career path is going to be something of, you know, doctor, lawyer, engineer type. So the trades, by no means, are for people that can't make it to college. I went to college, I got a degree. People I employ, the majority of them actually have degrees and went to college, yet they still ended up working on the trades. Now, the trades need smart people. To advance in the trades, you need to be extremely intelligent. Now, to break into the trades, perhaps you don't need that, but if you want to succeed in the trades, you require a lot of skill and a lot of intelligence. So don't have the perception that the trades may not have the type of people that exist on the white-collar side. It's a mix of various people. But I can tell you that the trades are probably going to be the last group of people that will be replaced by AI. It's difficult to execute. I will never say never. I'm sure there's going to be a point in time where robotics and AI brains will merge into something perfect and we all might get replaced. However, it's still extremely difficult to do what the blue-collar workers on the trade side do, the skill set with their physical hands, physical bodies, and bringing their brains into locations do. So do not overlook the trades at all. It's growing even bigger, the problem of the lack of workforce. So if you're going to think about your child's future, strongly consider what the trades will do for their future, what the ability of them being able to work with their hands will do for the future. And if they're successful at the trades, the sky is the limit, because there's lots of business opportunity at the trades level anyway. So college is a choice, I'm sure. And I know the conversation today may steer a lot of people away from college. And I think that's a good thing, because we have too many people that are academics that probably will not be able to find a job in the next decade, because there's just no need for people that are academics. There's a strong need for people to use their hands for something that is extremely needed and useful in society. Just a thought.